Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HMD Arc phone. In this video I'll show you how to set up Face Unlock on this device. So let's get started. First of all, open your settings and let's find section Security and Privacy. Now let's go to Device Unlock section, and here tap Face and Fingerprint Unlock. Now you'll need to set up a screen lock method if you haven't already, like I do. So pick a screen lock method. Let it be PIN, for example, and you need to set your PIN, then re-enter it to confirm. And now let's tap on section Face Unlock finally. Press Setup Face Unlock button, press Start button, and now you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts to scan your face. You need to make sure that your face is fully visible. Okay, when you see this message on your screen, that means all good. Let's tap Done button. And now basically you can turn on your screen. Next time that you turn on your screen, you can use your face to unlock your phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this. See you in the next one.